welcome to Dailycast News. I'm Kramsapi and today's news as follows. KAAC Autonomous Council EM, also an MSc of Mahamaya constituency, Mr. Lunsing Teron, went for inspection at shildharampur, Jen Ronghang village to look over an ongoing road construction. Report to the Dailycast News.
The road construction are in progress from National Highway 36 main road to Jen Ronghang village under number 15 Mahamaya MSc constituency. On 8th of August, while on his way to Guwahati, EM Lunsing Teron looked over the Black Topping Road. Reported by our correspondent.
Nilip BJP Mandal, East Karbi Anglong under Bogan subdivision held an organization meeting.
The meeting was led by Nilip BJP Mandal President Bapuram Teron, whereas Boson Rongpar were allotted in place of Nilip constituency MSc Pabitra Rongpi. East Karbi Anglong Committee Secretary Mudaram Lektet Simon Pangcho were also attended the meeting. Report from Koilamati correspondent Simpson Intikathar.
That's all for today. Keep watching Dailycast News.